So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is going fine on your side and you are ready to learn a new strategy. So the strategy which we are going to talk about today, the name of the strategy is Kind Martin. How we are going to apply it manually, automatically, what are the things we are supposed to take care. I will be explaining everything, so just stay connected throughout the session. So I will be giving all the required information which can help you to improve your trading skills. So before we'll initiate the conversation, I just want to confirm that the comment section is already active. So in case if you will be finding any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me over there. I will be taking care of your doubts, and in the meantime I just request for a quick confirmation if my audio and video is clear. Traders, just give me a quick confirmation if everything is streamlined, if everything is sorted, so that we can initiate the conversation, because if anything is required to be fixed, at least I will be taking care of that. Okay, so just a moment. So far everything is looking good, but still if anything is there, traders, feel free to comment. And if any one of you have used Kind Martin in the past, they can also share their experience. If anything is required to be add to that, of course I will be explaining that. And at the same time, another traders, those who are going to use it for the first time, or they are going to try it for the first time, so at least they will be getting some motivation, or they will be getting some insights also, because as I am always used to say that strategies are like a medicine. It's not compulsory that if it is working for me, that will be working for you also, and that could be vice versa. But when majority of traders, they are using it and then they are able to track something in, like some set of rule which can help to improve results, then that give a bit motivation that okay, this is something which we can rely on. We need to practice. Of course, it's not like that I am stating that I am making profit and other traders are also stating the same thing, then you should use that. No, use your own and then decide. I will be covering everything, but without wasting more time, I think we should kick off this conversation, as we already got one confirmation. Thank you so much, sir. So let's start today's conversation. Let's start the strategy. So to apply the strategy, all you just need to go to this technical analysis button, the screen which is visible to you. This is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. Now there might be some traders, those who might be using the different layout, that is the mobile application. So the layout could be different, but one thing I can tell you, that the strategy which we are going to use, that can be applied in both of them. Okay, so this is the last strategy of advanced level. This can be used like these two green bars, they are stating it's advanced level strategy. Kind Martin, name of the strategy. This can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means forex. Once I'll click on that one, a new window is going to pop up. Small piece of introduction is going to be there in the video format, then in the description format. For now, no need to bother yourself, no need to spend time on that one. In case if this strategy is locked for you, like if you are on starter level and this strategy is locked for you, you can take the screenshot of this thing. It's nothing much, it's just a parabolic with the frequency of 0.02, MACD with the frequency of 7, 14 and 5. Once I'll click on the enable strategy, so you can see that all the required details, all the required frequencies are already visible on the screen. Just to make it look a bit more easy, what I will do, I will just change the MACD from histogram to this. Okay, so now let's talk about how this strategy exactly works. So in this one, all you just need to focus on two major parts. The first one is parabolics are, which are these small pink dots. So these parabolics are, it's just it's a technical tool which help you to observe that when there can be some price correction or when there can be a market reversal. So price correction or market reversal means if the market is keep on moving downward direction, then when the market can change the direction and start moving upward, and vice versa. So to understand that how they are trying to give you some information. So if these parabolics are appearing on the upper side of the chart, so they will be indicating that the market can move into the downward, and if they are below the chart, then they will be indicating that the market can move into the upward direction. very easy to understand. It's not complicated at all. But still, traders, in case if you will be finding any difficulties, feel free to write in the comment section. As I can see that I haven't found much comments so far. So traders, let's try to make this conversation a bit more. Where are you investing? Fake app. Sonu Singh ji, I'm sad to know that like you are thinking like that, but please share your experience, like why you are feeling like that one. Okay, where are you investing? Latikesh ji, I will be taking trades on different assets, so it is not going to be anything specific. Olymptrade withdrawal and deposit hold. New songs 760. I'm so sorry if you are struggling with any of your payment, whether it is a deposit or withdrawal. I just request you connect with the support team. They will be the best one, those who can help you with that one. And because we are from a VIP department, so the major hold we have, that is on the trading part, and this 1 hour that is basically dedicated to all your trading regarding concerns. So if you have anything regarding to deposit, withdrawal, verification account, just drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com and they will be taking care of that. Okay, anything regarding to the trading. And as we got one comment from Sonu Singh ji also. So Sonu, I just want to get a bit more information that why exactly you feel like that, so that I can share my experience or I can help you with all your doubts and queries. So let's talk about that one. Okay, so back to the strategy. So we have already covered how the parabolic arc works. Now let's talk about that, how this MACD. So in MACD part, all you just need to wait for, or you just need to wait for the confirmation from this 0 level. So when you will be observing that this line is intersecting this 0 level in the upward direction, this frequency is intersecting in the upward direction, then that will indicate that market can move into the upward. At the same time, when the intersection is in the downward, market downward. Again, easy to use. Now traders, before we'll jump into the live trading session where I will try to show more and more examples to help you with all your trading doubts and like how exactly strategy works, a couple of important points you need to focus on. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss, so make sure you focus on learning part also. It's not only about investing money, you have to invest some time also. You need to learn about that one, then I'll suggest start making some investments if you feel comfortable. Second thing, all the trades whatever I have taken in the past, I will be taking during this session. I will be the responsible one for my trades. Everything is going to be depending on my skill set and my practice. Third and the most important thing, even though this session is live, we are having a live conversation, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after some time. Like there can be a roughly time difference of 30 seconds to 1 minute, so that if you will try to do some copy trading, so there is a possibility that when my trade is about to finish, you will be able to find that like I have opened the opportunity, and that can delay the trade and that can lead to some negative results. So just focus on the learning part. Just learn the strategy first, and then after that you can use the strategy on your own. And of course, these are just some technical tools which are based on some mathematical calculations. So there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, if you are learning anything today, make sure you practice it on your demo account, and then you should take it to your live. I think I have shared a lot of information. So now we should come back to the strategy part. So now I will do some live action, traders. I will keep on shuffling my cards. I will keep on changing assets. Wherever I will be finding any signal, I will be taking a trade. And at the same time, in case if you will be finding any opportunity, you can also let me know. The suggested time frame for this strategy is 2 to 3 candle, and at the same time the suggested chart time frame for this strategy is 1 minute. Okay, now we will start our trading session. Let's start, and in case any doubts will be there, of course you can drop in the comment section and I will be trying to cover them as well. Okay, so let's start shuffling. Irrespective of the asset, we will not be bothering that whether it's a composite, whether it's a OTC, metal, doesn't matter. The set of rule is going to be remain same. All we are just going to look for the signal. Wherever we will be getting any opportunity, I will be opening a trade. This can be a nice signal, but I will wait for the second confirmation. So traders, one more insight I want to share with you. So in case if you are using this strategy for a shorter time duration, like where your trade time frame is less than 5 minutes, I'll suggest wait for the confirmation from the second parabolic. Like once the second parabolic will appear, then open the trade. But if you are using it for a longer time duration, like the trade time frame is more than 5 minutes, then you can use it on the first parabolic itself. The reason why I have, even though the signal was indicating that the market can move into the upward direction, but still the reason why I have opened a trade in the downward direction, because I thought that the market is getting stuck with this level. But if we observe, market is breaching this level, so I am planning to double up my amount, like double up my trade value. Let's see, but I have used a RFT also. Now let's see, we will keep on shuffling, we will keep on looking forward for different signals, and wherever we will be getting any opportunity, I will be taking a trade. And let me clear that set of rule also which I have just discussed. So whenever you are using any strategy, just only one condition, that the candle pattern should be Japanese. If you are using any strategy and the candle pattern is Japanese, then there are three more points which you can consider before executing any trade. The first one is always trade in a trending market. Now some traders might be stating that, sir, in Heiken Ashi also that we can see that if the market is trending or not, but once you will start exploring it, once you will try to correlate them, you will be able to understand what exactly I am trying to say. In a short form, market is always moving in three different directions, upward, downward, sideways. So we should always avoid taking trades in the sideways market. First rule. Second rule, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you also consider the nearest support or resistance level. Support or resistance level means whenever the market is trying to move in any specific direction, and if you observe that there is a point that where the market is getting stuck every now and then, like if I'll take a quick example of this level, this one, and then again market is getting stuck here in the upward direction, it's called as resistance, and at the bottom it will be considered as, or it will be called as support. So do not take trade near to the support or resistance level, because there is a possibility that if there is a trend following strategy is indicating that the market can move into the upward direction, but the market will get stuck at that moment, then market can bounce back, so that can lead to some negative results. So this is a additional precaution you can use. Third one, always consider the formation of the last generated candle. Okay, so we took a few trade, all trade went negative, no worries, let's have a look on that one, then I'll move back to the conversation we were having. Okay, so the first trade we took on this level, negative, no worries, even though it's about to 7, so we can expect some sudden volatility also, so that is completely fine. Okay, so on this, okay, so market got stuck somewhere at this level. Okay, no problem. Let's have a look on composites also. So cricket composite is stating, okay, so in all of them we got some sudden volatilities and market reverse. No worries, let's keep on trying. We will keep on trying with the same setup for at least next 2 to 4 trades. We will be considering the same trading amount and the time frame. We can decrease the amount also, that is completely fine, but in case if we want to keep the same, then we should not be at least increasing that amount. Okay, so next signal is there, let's wait for this one. Another trade we have already executed, crypto composite, nothing so far. CAD JPY, okay, so signal can be there, but no, the market is near to the resistance level, so we can think about it. We can try to take a trade in the downward direction, but only for 2 candles. Let's see if this will persist, if the market will hold this level. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling, keep on moving to different assets, and wherever we will be finding any signal, we will try to take trade. And traders, see, understand one more thing. as I have already mentioned, that it's a financial market. So every day is not going to be Christmas, or every day is not going to be Diwali or Eid. There might be some days when you will be facing some losses, and accept it. But that should be calculated, because I am always used to say, if it is your trading account, if it is your money, then that should be your choice, that how much you are going to make in a day and how much you are going to lose in a day. By that I am just trying to say that you should have a setup which will indicate, or which will tell you, that how much profit you are going to make in a day and how much loss you are going to make in a day. So you need to focus on that one also. Let's open up a couple of more assets. So I have opened a few composites and a few more OTCs. Let's take how the last two trades are looking like. One is looking good, but the second one is not looking that good. We are quite near, but market is almost stuck. Almost 11 seconds to go. Okay, this CAD JPY is also looking negative now. Okay, let's see. This one was a loss, but we were very near, we were very close. So the opening, okay, so we just lost the trade with only 0.00002. We were very close. No worries, at least we started our journey, so we started making some profit. So the first CAD JPY OTC trade went positive. I'm just getting the positive vibe now, like everything will go will move streamline. But before coming to that, let's take at least one more trade, and then I will be moving back to the comment section, because I can see that there are so many comments which I have to cater. So I will be taking care of that one. And traders, just requesting you, please do not spam any of your comment. I will be covering all of you your doubts. So just drop it. In case if you feel that your comment was on at number 3 and now I am reading the 6th or 7th comment, then you can just paste it again, because there is a possibility that I might have skipped it. There was a very nice signal, but I have missed it, so I will not be trying to catch any running trend, because that can create some issues that can lead to some negative results. So let's wait for a few more. Okay, this one I am looking nice. I just want to take one trade on this. I will be explaining that also. If that trade will go positive, I will share my set of rules. Okay, so many comments are there. Let's talk about a few comments. Let's take a few comments. Okay, so nutshell में फिक्स टाइम की स्ट्रेटेजी बता दो, बिकॉज लॉस $55K. एंटरटेनमेंट, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज ट्राई टू मेक अ try to grab a hold on your take profit and stop loss, because $5,000 is a very huge capital. So try to work on your skill set first. Hi, please refund my amount. I deposited it 700, but it didn't got credited. Please give me your contact number. Sir, I'm so sorry, like there is no contact number, but you can connect to the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. Just drop the screenshot to them. They will be taking care of that one. Olymptrade app fake, not support team. Sonu ji, there is a support team. You can either connect them via chat, or via chat you can connect if you are on advanced or expert level holder, but if you are on starter, you can drop an email to support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. Was useless, they didn't respond to any significant answer. Sir, once they will be having any update, only then they will be able to answer your query. So just stay calm, just wait for some time. I am a new user, Anas Khan ji. I am happy to see that you have joined our platform. Very warm welcome, and I request you, as you mentioned that you are new user, so make sure you invest a bit of time, learn about the strategies, technicals and everything, and then start making some investments if you feel comfortable. Most of the time indicators don't work, instead it goes opposite direction. Himanshu ji, it's not like that, like most of the time or every time. As I have already mentioned, that these are just technical tools which are going to help you to get an idea that what can be the direction of the market. They are not going to give you the 100% accuracy. This is something which we are used to say every time. Okay, so they are going to indicate you that what can be the direction, and on that basis you can try to analyze the market. Okay, most of the time, please speak Urdu. Anas ji, I'm so sorry. Today's conversation is for the English-speaking community, so I'm so sorry I'll not be able to communicate in Hindi or Urdu. But in case if you're comfortable with that language, every Tuesday and Thursday, same channel, 4 p.m. Indian Standard, we are conducting sessions in Hindi, Urdu also, so you can connect us at that time. Sonuji, I'm sad to know that like you are facing some difficulties, and as a result, I completely agree with you. Like if I would be in your shoes, if I will be facing some difficulties, of course I will be giving the same information or the same insight to another traders. But that is completely your opinion. I'm not going to dive into that, or I'm not going to tell you anything for that. But one thing I'll tell you, that if you're facing any difficulties or any concerns with your deposit, withdrawal, verification, anything, just connect with the support team. They will be the best one to help you with that. Okay, so help me to just need to apply the just give me a second, let me show you, just 1 second. Yeah, so all you just need to apply the parabolic SAR and MACD. So if this strategy is locked for you, don't buy this strategy. Traders, this is for every trader, those who are going to use this strategy but they find that this strategy is locked for them, do not buy it. This can be applied manually. All frequencies 12, 26 and 9, but we need 7, 14 and 5. I'll click on that one. Let's edit it. 7, 14, 5. I don't need a signal line and MACD line. Now you can observe both of them are exact same. The same way you can apply parabolic SAR also. Once you apply it, click on these 3 dots, save strategy, next, and the strategy which might be visible as paid for you, that will be for free. And I'm sure that that can be applied. So I have answered this concern. But still, Ajay ji, if you have missed something, you will be able to check there. It's Bibojan Shorts. Thank you so much, sir. We also love you. Okay, people who have but didn't get credited, please message. Sir, see, support team will be the best. I believe that those who can help you with all your deposit withdrawal concerns. If you will be sharing anything, don't install didn't give withdrawal. Tanveer Dar ji, I am so sorry if you are facing some difficulties with the withdrawal. 24 hour to 5 working days. 24 hour to 5 working days. I request you just wait for some time. It's been almost more than 11 market and everything is working fine. We have millions of users. So if traders are comfortable, they are doing it, everything is going fine, then of course you can trust. Okay, so hello sir, PGN, hello, your cricket magazine. Kunal bhai, please कोई नंबर दे दो जिससे डिपॉजिट वापस मिले. वो Olymptrade support team कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं दे रही है. Your cricket magazine for some time. If you have sent something, of course they will look into it and they will be replying on that. Because there is no currently the what we call the telephone lines, they are under the maintenance, so you will not be able to call them. The best which I can suggest is just drop an email, support-hi or support-en at Olymptrade.com. Just a moment. Okay, so what else we have? I am lost trader. Sir, just share your experience that why you have made some losses, like whether you were not able to make some struggling with the strategies or you were doing some over trading. Just share a bit more information so we will be able to guide you with that one. They give withdrawal within. Sir, this is something which I am keep on repeating, that majority of withdrawals, they are processed within 24 hours to 5 working days is the maximum time frame. So just stay calm, just wait for some time. They have taken my money, sir. Sir, it's 700. It's your hard-earned money, so of course we respect it. You will be getting that for sure. Sometimes they give credit. Sir, you will be getting every time. In case if any of your deposit or any of your withdrawal is pending, just connect with the support team. Share your doubts with them. Share your concern with them. They will be the best one to help you. Connect with the support team. If you have anything regarding to the trade, please let me know. Okay, not helpful. Any question, not replying. Sonu Singh ji, whenever you will be sending with $20, but with the RFT, because we are quite late, but we have to try this. And traders, see, I have such complication, I have such obligation that I have to trade back to back. I have to show you more and more examples, but with you there are no such complications or there are no such compulsions. So once you will execute any trade, wait for the result. Once that result is there, then analyze that whether you want to increase the amount, whether you want to decrease the amount, mean to say if you want to use your risk management, money management, and then think about the next trade. Do not keep on opening trades back to back, because that can wipe out your complete capital and that can create some pressure on you. Okay, so we have a couple of trades in the pipeline. Okay, so Abdullah Fayazji, I'm so sorry to see, like, if you are feeling that like that way, but it's been a very long time that we are working in the market. Everything is working streamlined. So still, if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can connect with the support team. Dawood Khanji, in Urdu, we are giving classes on every Tuesday and Thursday, same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Samjha de please. Rana ji, what exactly you want me to help you with? Shafi ji, hello, my money got stuck. Shafi ji, just connecting, request you to connect with the support team. They will be the one. इसलिए जो भी Sir, Manpreet ji, if you are facing any difficulties like that one, whatever the document, like if you have received any confirmation, email, message, document, anything, just share it with the support team. They will look into that. Okay, so Manpreet ji, I am sad to see that like you have that experience or like you are feeling in that way, but as so far I believe that we have a conversation so many times in the past also. I have tried to share a lot of information with you, so I think we can talk about that also. और ये account analyst आपको message motivate करेगा और पैसे. Sir, and let me be clear on one thing. If you are taking some sessions from your financial analyst, then there are no such compulsion that you have to make a deposit or you have to trade. Taking trade, making deposit is going to be your call. We will be just helping you with all your doubts and questions and queries and the technicals which you can use to improve your skill set. And at the same time, if we are teaching you some strategy that you should use it for 2 minutes or 5 minutes or something like that, and you are using it for 5 seconds, then that is not trading at all. Let me be honest with that. Okay, so if you are telling that they have taught me like to take a trade for 5 minutes, for 5 seconds, I don't think like there is some analysts those who are suggesting you, or they are also suggesting that you should take trade with high amount. We always suggest to stay calm. Keep trading as a marathon. Do not take it as a sprint. And this is something which we always used to. Okay, Himanshu ji, how do we know that from the candle that it will break sideways or go up or down? See, Himanshu, for that one, all you just need to focus on the technical set, like the strategy whichever you are using. So in case if these parabolics, they will change the direction implement. So all you can focus on that nearest green candle you need to focus on, and then just check if the bottom level of that one or the last red candle, if the bottom of that one is breached by the current candles. Let me explain it again. So if the market is moving into the downward direction, so see, market moved up, down, again up, down. Now until and unless this level is not breached and all the confirmations are not there, or if I'll talk about this candle, I am getting the confirmation on this candle, so I will be considering the bottom level of this candle. So until and unless this level is not breached, I will not be executing my trade. Once this level will be breached, then I will execute my trade. At the same time, if I want to take a trade in the upward direction, so in downward I have considered the red candle, in the upward I will be considering the green candle. So what exactly I am going to focus on? Let's try to grab this one. So let me find a better signal so that I can give you a better example. Just give me a moment. This one. Nope, not this one. Let's check on any composites. So on this level the market was quite far. I will try to explain that one, like if I will be getting any example, perfect example for that one, so that can be considered as a additional point to check, additional checkpoints, just to avoid some volatility. And let's try to take at least one or two more trades. Let's see. Okay, so we took two more trades, both trade went positive. CAD JPY and Asia Composite, both of them went positive. Let's try a few more, and we still have time. So traders, if you still have any doubt, question, you can drop me in the comment section. I will be coming back to the comments also, nothing to worry. Okay, so let's see if any asset, and if any one of you want to help me, like if they are observing that if there is any signal on any specific asset, you can comment me in the drop in the comment section. I will try to take a trade on that one if that will work. Let's see, because for that one you will be getting all the two required information. First one, whether you are able to understand the strategy or not. Second thing, if you have observed one signal, is that working for you or not? Because I will be the one who will be taking trade, who will be taking the risk. So if the trade will be positive, of course that is going to be my profit. I'm not going to share it. But if the trade will be going negative, so at least I will be the one who will be taking care of that. Okay, so feel free to drop me in the comment section. I have just make a quick change in the time frame. From 2 minutes I have switched to the 3 minutes. Now let's see if the 3 minute will work for us, or we need to move back to the 2 minute time frame. Okay, so let's see. Let me see. Okay, let's take a few more comments. Okay, so thank you so much. It's Bibo Jhan ji, thank you so much for supporting. Okay, Manpreet ji saying ये खुद यहाँ सट्टा खेल रहा है, इनको रिस्क फ्री ट्रेड दे देगा, आपको कोई रिस्क फ्री ट्रेड नहीं मिलने वाली, इसलिए जो प्राप्त है वही पर्याप्त है. सर ये this line is this quote is very nice. Like I am also used to believe in that one. Like whatever you have, that is the best. But see, there is nothing like that. I will be getting some risk free trade or something like that. I am also used to trade, and you can check my trade history also. How do we know from which candle it will break the sideways? Yeah, so Himanshu ji, back to your comment. So all you just need to focus on the technical. Whenever you will be getting any confirmation from any one of them, then you should pick that one. At the same time, if you talk about the support or resistance level breach, so all you just need to consider the highest level of the resistance level and the bottom level of the support level. Until and unless that level is not breached, that breach means it's not like that the market is keep on moving, that candle is still in formation and market move a bit downward or a bit upward, and you will consider that level is breached. We will be considering the breach of that level when that specific candle will close and the next candle will open up from the upward direction or the bottom. Then we will consider, because there is a possibility that the candle will start appearing, it will start moving upward, but at the time of closing the market will move, bounce back and candle will close somewhere. Okay, so that what we will not consider as a breach. I don't use candle, use area chart. See, that is completely fine, sir, whichever you are comfortable with. That is the reason that I have mentioned that if you are using Japanese candle, that is the thing which you should focus on. Rest of course you can use. I'm only losing. Then Himanshu ji, work on your skill set, work on that how what are the things you need to focus on. Like if you are thinking that last 3 candles were green, next can be green, last 3 candles were red, next can be red, that is not trade. Sorry to say, you have to invest some time. Learn about it, like how exactly market work, what are the things which we need to focus on, whether it is about graphical analysis, technical. See, I completely understand in one day you can't you cannot get everything, but there are a couple of things like which you can divide into. First, start focusing on your risk management, money management, which will tell you that how to use your capital. Then move to the second part, move to the technical analysis. In that one, you will analyze the previous candle and you will use some technical tools like RSI, SMAs, anything, whichever you feel comfortable. Then start taking it to the next level where you will focus on graphical analysis, like what is the formation of the candle, what exactly it is trying to say, like candle patterns are there, chart patterns are there, then you can start diving into that. And in the last, you can move to the fundamentals. Fundamental is This is something, it's a quite important topic. It's not like that I'm considering it on the last, so you should be considering that this is not something important. Of course that is important, but in that one there is some data which is floating into the market, which you can check from different websites, and we are also used to talk about them on every Monday. One of my colleague Akash, he is used to conduct session on the same channel 6:30 in English, where he's talking about all the data which is about to be there in the market, and he will be also indicating that what can be the direction of the market, how the market can react. So those are the things which you need to focus on, and once you will be able to grab that one, club all of them together, and then you should start taking some trades. Okay. Can we take trades for 2 to 3 minutes in kind martin strategy? Yes, Kuldeep ji, you can use this strategy for 2 to 3 candle trade. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, then the trade time frame which will be 2 to 3 candle. I'm so sorry traders, I have skipped a few comments. Okay, I lost near 10 lakh and 17 stuck in my bank by cyber. Manpreet ji, I'm sad to see that if any of your amount is stuck, just connect with the support team, they will be the best one. And at the same time, I believe that we have conversation multiple times, so you already have your financial analyst, have a conversation with them. They will help you with some more set of rules, technical strategies, whatever they can, and try to implement them. I am not saying that blindly trust them, just apply them on a very short, a small capital like 700 or 1000, and try to grow it at least for 7 days. If you feel that everything is working in your favor, then try to use it for the longer. Otherwise your trading style is already there. We are not going to say anything, but you should need to focus on. Okay, tell me about forex trading. Kuldeep ji, like in forex, the set of rule is going to be remain same, but all you just need to increase the chart time frame, because in that one you are not going to make that much big profit with the movement of 2 minute or 5 minute or something like that. So minimum chart time frame, I'll suggest at least analyze for 1 hour to 4 hour, and then open your position. And how or when to close the position, like the things which you can consider during that one. So once the intersection is there, then you should open the position, and once you will observe that the MACD is changing the direction again and started moving downward, or market has shifted the moment, like you will observe, like it's not like that the parabolic will appear here and at the very next moment, if the parabolic will be here, the market will shoot. So all you just need to focus on, you will be opening your position on this parabolic or on this parabolic, and you will hold it until and unless you will not find this one. So that will indicate that now the market can change the direction, and then here you can go for the another position in the upward direction. So this is how you can use this strategy in forex. It's very easy to use in forex. Okay, जिसको आता है वो ही करता है. See, Asif ji, I completely agree with you. Like if you have a hold on trading, then it is very easy. But if you think that all you just need to focus on candles and everything, and then you will just click on up down, and you will be able to make money, then sorry. This is like sorry to those traders, those who believe like that trading should be like that. Okay. So within Manpreet ji, it's not like that. Like if somebody made withdrawal of 30,000, then this account should be blocked or something like that. There is nothing like that. I have seen so many traders, those who are making withdrawals for bigger than that one. Okay. Okay. सिग्नल बताओ है कहाँ बताओ है किसी के पास. Ali ji, see, I will suggest that do not focus on the signals from any another sources. You can learn your skill set and then start taking trades on your own, because that would be the best one. अपना पैसा. Okay. Kamran ji, hello. I am new here. Kamran ji, very warm welcome, and I request you again, please make sure work on your skill set first. See, Manpreet ji, I want to help you, but you are keep on commenting the same doubts and questions and queries. So that is going to spend a lot of going to take a lot of time. I'm so sorry for that. But in case if you have anything to ask apart from that, like your withdrawal is stuck or you are having issues with that one, you can ask me. That is completely fine, because for deposit, withdrawal, account related questions, support will be the best one. Okay, so let's take a few more comments. Kasim ji, hello Himanshu. I only lost cause I am impatient and any app can make me lost. Once I made 21 in one day, then took heavy amount trade and lost all and still lost. But I will overcome this impatience. Now Himanshu ji, see, now you have come to the point that you have already analyzed it, that what is the disease, like where we need to work on. That is your patience level. It's not like that you haven't made profit, as you have already mentioned. From 2500 you have reached to 62,000. It's a very nice capital, it's a huge capital, it's a huge profit, but you were trying to make it a bit more, or that what we called in the world of trading, we always call it as over trading. And this is not like, I'm not going to blame you that this is a problem with you. This is a problem which majority of traders are struggling with. And that is why we always suggest you should have a complete set of rules, that how much you are going to make in a day and how much you are going to lose in a day. And for that there is a term which we call take profit and stop loss. Because see, if there is no upper limit, like how much I am going to make in a day, like if somebody is making $10, they can try to make 50 also. If they have achieved it, they can try to make 100, 500, 2000, whatever the amount they want to make. I'm not trying to engage you in something like that. This is a platform where you will be making a huge profit or something like that. I'm just giving you a piece of information that if there is no upper limit, then make sure you do not touch the bottom. By that I am trying to say that if you are not able to touch the highest one, then why you are keep on moving to the bottom and then you are touching the zero level. Try to hold your capital. If there will be any another day when you will be able to make some profit, that is specifically Himanshu for you. In case if you will be able to make some profit, hold that capital. I know you might be having some losses, you want to recover them, that is completely fine. I wish that you will be recovering them. But in case from one amount, if you have reached to another one and now you are trying to reach to the third one, if you are able to reach there, good to see. But if you will start making some losses, just stop it then and there. Or the best which I can do, or I can suggest, like majority of time traders are stating that, sir, I made a deposit of like $50, I made 70 out of that, and now when I was trying to make a round figure to 150, then I started making some losses. Like he made a deposit of 50, now he's having 120 in his trading account, now he want to make additional 30. So what I am used to tell them, sir, if you can make 70 out of 50, then making 30 out of 20 is going to be very easy for you. Right? So what you can do, keep $100, or you can make a withdrawal of $100, keep $20 in your trading account, and then start taking further trades. In case if you will be able to make additional 30, of course your target for the 150 is achieved. In case if you will be making some losses, then max to max you will be losing $20. At least your capital plus your profit, both of them are safe and you have already withdrawn. Because the reason behind that, when you will be having more capital visible in your account, there is a possibility that you might take a trade with a higher amount. And if that higher trade amount will go negative, trust me traders, that can completely spoil your discipline, risk management and money management and everything. So at least practice this thing at least for 7 days on your trading account. Try to work on a take profit, stop loss. Once you will touch any one of them, just quit for the day, and then try to conclude like whether if everything is working for you or not. Okay, I think there is no more comments so far, so I believe majority of comments I have already covered. But in case traders, if I have missed any of your comment, I request you please just drop it in the comment section. Again, I am still available for at least next 2 to 3 minutes, so we can still have a conversation. I will try to grab at least 1 or 2 more opportunity. Okay, so this trade again went negative. Okay, no problem. Okay, so market is trying to move in the downward direction. Let's take a trade with $100, but with the RFT. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling. In case if we will be getting any more signal, I will be trying to grab that opportunity and Okay, so now MACD is moving into the upward direction, and this level also breached this one. Let's wait for the second appearance, like appearing of second parabolic dot, and then we will be executing our next trade. We still have 2 more minutes, so traders, in case if you will be having any doubt, any questions, you can drop me in the comment section. Okay, so another trade on cricket composite we have already executed. Let's see how this trade will go, and let me see, no more comments so far. Okay, so, and traders, again requesting everyone, like those who are facing any issues with their deposit or withdrawal or any account related question, they can drop their details, or they can drop their query to the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. That is the official website. So support team will be taking care of that one. They will be looking into it, and they will be working on that. For the standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. So if you have any of my friend has initiated a request, I request you just stay calm. Once the team will work on that one, they will do the needful. And before concluding today's conversation, I request you again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live again, so at least you will be able to connect with us. And at the same time, whatever the strategies you are learning from any source, from this platform, from any source, make sure you practice it on your demo account first. Try to grab a hold on that one, and then try to take it to your live account, because there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. But once you will start implementing them, once you will start observing them, once you will start finding the patterns which are going to help you to make profit, only then you will be able to use them. And taking 10-15 trades, they are not going to help you to finalize or analyze that one. You need to open at least 70 to 100 trades, and that is going to take some time. That is why I'm always used to say trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Okay, so I believe that I have covered all the which time is better for the trade in 24 hours. See, Himanshu ji, it's not like that there is some time like when you will be making maximum profit or maximum losses. But if you talk about my trading style, so I'm used to start my day somewhere around 11:30 Indian Standard Time, and I'm used to wind up all my take profit, stop loss, everything before 5. This is the only time like when I'm taking some trading sessions, live sessions, when I'm trading after 6:30. And in case if you think it's not like that at the evening time you can't make profit, you can make profit. But if you if you take my opinion, or the thing which I want to suggest you, you can take a quick break from 6:45 to 7:50 Indian Standard. With the reason behind, because that is the time when US market is used to open, and I believe that at that time there is some bit more volatility. So all you just need to observe that if the strategy which is working for 2 minutes in the from the morning or till afternoon, is it working in the same manner? If everything is working fine, then of course you can. So this is something. And again, like US market time, Indian market time, etc. So you can start from the Indian market time, then London session will be opening somewhere around 12, and then US market will be opening around 7. So the best which I can suggest you, you can start somewhere around from 10 to 11 a.m. Indian, and then you can trade till 5 p.m. Then you can take a quick break. And if you want to trade throughout the day, or that is the time window like when you are getting some time to trade, I'm not stating again that in the night time you can't make profit. You can, but you just need to take some time, a bit more precaution. Okay, so thank you so much, traders. Thank you so much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and make sure you subscribe the channel again so that we can connect in the upcoming session. We managed to book one profit for $80. I believe like whatever we have lost, majority of them we have already recovered. So things are already all streamlined. Everything is all set. So again, thank you so much, traders. That was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for your day. It was lovely talking to you. I wish you a great day, and keep